News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Rehabilitation Council of India, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, National Health Systems Resource Centre, Convergence Energy Services Limited, National Technical Research Organization, and Defence Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences. Applications are invited for recruitment to the following regular posts in Rehabilitation Council of India, RCI, a statutory body of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyangjan, New Delhi. One post of Private Secretary on deputation, one post of Junior Stenographer on direct recruitment, one post of Staff Car Driver on deputation or absorption, failing which by direct recruitment, one post of Dispatch Rider on deputation or absorption, failing which by direct recruitment, and one post of Multitasking Staff, Library Attendant on direct recruitment. Applications in the prescribed proforma along with copies of all relevant certificates must reach the Member Secretary RCI within 45 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar and 60 days for the applicants residing in remote areas Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, Sikkim, Ladakh Division of Jammu and Kashmir State, Lahaul and Spiti District and Pangi Subdivision of Chamba District of Himachal Pradesh, Andaman Nicobar Islands or Lakshadweep. For details regarding eligibility criteria, qualification or experience, age, reservation, pay scale, etc. and application proforma, log on to RCI website www.rehabcouncil.nic.in. Candidates already working in government or semi-government or autonomous bodies or PSUs or universities, etc. should send their application through proper channel. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, a Maharatna company, plans to engage fixed-term research associates and fixed-term project associates at its HP Green R&D Center, Bengaluru, to assist in various research projects of the corporation. Job description of fixed-term research associates will require them to prepare project proposal including work plan on the specific research topic assigned to the candidate, to carry out research activities on the specific topic including literature search, set up experimental facilities if required, carry out experimental or pilot or simulation studies, interpret results and undertake studies for further development or improvement, prepare technical reports, and carry out any other activities that are assigned from time to time. The engagement is initially for a period of 1 year, which may be extended by 1 more year at a time based on the project requirement and performance of the candidate, subject to a maximum of 4 years. And job description of fixed-term project associates will require them to assist scientists carrying out research projects, prepare samples for establishing methods of analysis and carrying out routine analysis related to the assigned projects, monitoring batch reactions for optimizing reaction conditions, running pilot plants in shifts, and carry out any other jobs assigned by the reporting scientists or officers. The engagement is initially for a period of 1 year, which may be extended by 1 more year at a time based on the project requirement and performance of the candidate, subject to a maximum of 3 years. Candidates are advised to visit corporation website www.hindustanpetroleum.com under Career Opportunities section regularly for latest updates, as no separate communication will be sent. Interested candidates should apply online on the website hindustanpetroleum.com. Any further corrigendum or addendum would be uploaded only on the website hindustanpetroleum.com. Last date of online application by candidates is 31st October 2021. National Health Systems Resource Centre NHSRC New Delhi on behalf of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is seeking applications from eligible candidates for the following positions. One post of Finance Data Analyst NHM Finance and 2 posts of Finance Assistant NHM Finance. Terms of reference with details of required qualification and experience is available on the websites www.nhsrcindia.org, www.mohfw.gov.in and www.devnetjobsindia.org. Applications must reach in the prescribed online application format only as mentioned in the websites. Last date of receiving of application is 25th October 2021. Convergence Energy Services Limited (CESL) is a newly established subsidiary of State-Owned Energy Efficiency Services Limited (EESL), itself a joint venture of public sector companies under the Ministry of Power, Government of India. CESL is focused on delivering clean, affordable and reliable energy. Convergence focuses on energy solutions that lie at the confluence of renewable energy, electric mobility and climate change. It builds upon the decentralized solar development experience in underserved rural communities in India and over time using battery energy storage will deliver renewable energy solutions to power agricultural pumps, street lighting, domestic lighting and cooking appliances in villages. CESL will also work to enable battery-powered electric mobility and its infrastructure and design business models to increase the uptake of electric vehicles in India. To enable commercialization of these solutions at scale, Convergence will employ business models that utilize a blend of concessional and commercial capital, carbon finance and grants as appropriate. CESL is looking for enthusiastic and committed professionals. The interested candidates may only apply online. The applications received through any other mode shall not be accepted and summarily rejected. The last date of submission of online applications is 29th October 2021 till 5 p.m. One post of Head Operations, contractual position. For detailed advertisement, candidates may visit CESL website under Career section from 9th October 2021. For more details, please visit the website www.convergence.co.in. Applications are invited from eligible officers to fill up the following vacancies in National Technical Research Organization. 3 posts of Scientist D, Level 12 on deputation basis. Applications and prescribed proforma complete in all respects should reach the concerned authority within 30 days from the date of publication of this recruitment notice. The requisite details with regard to eligibility criteria, application proforma and other terms and conditions are available on the website ntro.gov.in. Walk-in interview will be held at Defence Institute of Physiology and Allied Sciences (DIPAS), Defence Research and Development Organization, Delhi, for contractual positions under DST-funded project. 1 post of Senior Research Fellow on 16th November 2021 at 10:00 hours, DIPAS, DRDO, Delhi. For detailed information regarding qualifications, emoluments, age limits and other details, etc., the candidates must visit the What's New section of the website www.drdo.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.